Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and what's up? Hey everybody, I'm Stacy and welcome back to my channel. To all of my existing subscribers and to all my new subscribers, hello. Sit down, get a drink, get a snack, and welcome to today's video. I wasn't expecting to get these because I just wasn't expecting to get them. So I don't even think I'm gonna do a full like intro and all that. So if you guys want to know what shoe was in this box, stay tuned. All right, this shoe was an unexpected shoe. Watch me not get this damn pull tab like I just said. Anyway, this shoe was a kind of an unexpected shoe because I saw this shoe. Oh, come on. Seriously, we are not doing this today. Today is not the day. I don't even record on Sundays. Shoot. Anyway, this shoe, I happened to catch it on, what site was I on? Hibbett. Actually, I saw it on Hibbett Sports. And I was like, ooh, these are cute. And I put them in my cart on Hibbett. Then I put it in my cart in Hibbett, and then I just went ahead and was going to pull the trigger on Hibbett because I think I had some points or birthday points or something. I can't remember. I had some points. But then I turned around and Nike dropped them on their site. So I was like, well, you know, I'll just grab them over here because I think I had something, some rewards or something on Nike. So here we go with the black Jordan, the black Jordan box with the wings imprinted on the corner. And the box reads as such: Air Jordan 1 Low SE Craft. The colorway is Obsidian Ashen Slate. Size is men's 7.5. As you all know, I wear men's 7.5, women's 9. Here's the inside of the box right there. And like I said, well, you all know, like I said, I see these online. So how these look in person? Oh, these are cute in person. Oh man, hold up. Smell weird. It's got a weird smell to them. I don't know about that. Anyway, let me put the box down real quick. And these are the Jordan 1 Low. These are the Jordan 1 Low Craft inside out in Obsidian blue. And let's go ahead. Let me give you guys a full 360. Here is the shoe straight ahead. Here's the inside of the shoe, the back, and the outside of the shoe. All right, let's put the right one down. Let's grab this left because we are lefties in this mother fucker. Anyway, fucker. Yes. We're not going to say the word here. We might have little people watching. All right, here is the shoe. Let me put the shoelace in, which is, I thought we were not doing plastic baggies, Nike. What's going on now? Here is the shoe. Okay, so the slate is going to be the gray that's on the top part of the eyelets and on the back of the shoe. Also on the Jumpman on the tongue. And also on the outsole. The Obsidian blue, I believe, is going to be all over the rest of the blue, but in different textures. So you have your patent leather Obsidian here and on the swoosh. Then you have the textured around the toe cap. And on the first 3 eyelets here and around the swoosh. On the ankle, you're going to have suede around the ankle at the bottom part of the eyelets, starting on those 3 on the eyelets. And your midsole is in white. It comes with the Obsidian blue lace and a white lace, as we see in the plastic baggie, which I thought we were going sustainable. Also on the inside, on the sole, you have the Obsidian blue and the Jumpman in white, actually. Right there. Let me turn it that way so you guys can see it. But yeah, This shoe kind of took me by surprise. I mean, as you guys know, I do have a pair of the inside out mids in the white color. So when I saw this blue, I was like, ooh, this is cool. And I don't have many blue. Yes, I do. Well, I have a lot of blue highs. Actually, I have blue mids also. But, oh, and then I have the Space Hippie in Obsidian blue sitting here on the turntable. Actually, let me stop. I don't have a lot of blue. I'm looking at the freaking blue and the Go Eaze. I got blue sneakers. I'm sitting up here playing. Talking about, I ain't got no blue sneakers. Yes, I do. That shows you when you have a lot of shoes and you kind of forget what you own. That's what happens. So I am not going to waste any more time, and let's get on to the styling portion of this video. Just already know I'm probably not going to do either lace. I've just bought a pack of laces, and I see a gray lace on this shoe. I really do. The white is cute, but I kind of think I want to see what a gray lace would look like on this shoe. So let's get on to the fashions, and you guys will see there what color lace I went with. For this outfit, I went with my H&M oversized suit with a hoodie from Fashion Nova. The bag is Coach's, the Eddie bag. I wanted to do something a little different, kind of dress down. And yes, I did switch that lace to a gray lace. You're going to see that up close in a second. But yeah, I just wanted to pull the blue and the black with a little bit of gray, you know, match the shoe up really good. And here's the shoe up close and personal. Let me pull that pants leg up. And of course, my camera blurs on me. But let me get that tongue moved over. Of course, it's going to slide back over in a second. But here you go. Here is the shoe from the front. And yes, I did that lace. There's the inside of the shoe. And we are back in focus. Here's the back of the shoe right here. You can see those Jordan wings. And now this outfit, I went with a two-piece from the Future Collective Kalana Barfield Brown collection. The shirt has a cold shoulder. You can see that right there. The bag is my Louis Vuitton Randoni backpack. And here's the shoe once again up close, and we are clear with that camera. So you can see this up close, and yep, I've tried to match that gray as much as possible. I think I went a little lighter on the lace, but that's okay. There's the shoes straight away, and here's the backs of the shoes. But yeah, these shoes are super comfortable, and they are really nice to wear. I hope you guys like the styling that I did with this shoe. I like this shoe. I love the different textures of the blue. I love the slate gray. I love blue and gray together. I think that's a great color combination. I also do like the exposed foam. I know there are people that don't like the exposed foam. I actually got a comment on the last, the white ones, and how they didn't like the foam, and I get it. And you know, everybody's got their thing. I totally understand, but I like it because it's not the regular look of a Jordan 1. But let's get in close one more time, and here is the Jordan 1 Low Craft inside out in Obsidian blue and slate. The slate is going to be on the back with the Obsidian blue wings. The top 4 lace loops or eyelets are going to be in that slate, along with the outsole, and the Jumpman are all going to be in that slate, that slate gray. Your midsole is going to be in white, and the rest of the shoe is predominantly in the Obsidian blue in different textures. You have your patent leather on your swoosh and your toe cap. You have the tongue around the toe cap and around the swoosh in this harder canvas. You have suede right here by the laces, and also on the ankle. On the inside of the shoe, shoe comes with also, you have the Obsidian blue and a white lace, and your inside is also going to be in the blue. Like I said, I really like the shoe. It's different. It's not the regular Jordan or regular shoe. That's what I like about this shoe. So yeah, I hope you guys like this video, and I hope you guys liked what I did with the shoe. If you guys like videos like this and you want to see more videos like this, don't forget to like and subscribe. Liking and subscribing are free of charge to everyone involved, including myself. Also, if you guys want to read something, go over to my blog, sneakersandhandbags.net, where I talk about a little bit of everything from sneakers, handbags, music, movies, home decor, lifestyle, whatever's on my mind, even marketing, because the blog started as a marketing blog. And that is it. I'm going to get out of here. I think I need to eat some lunch. Yeah, it's 12:55. And it's a Sunday, and I do not record on Sundays. Normally, I'm sitting and watching Sister Wives, but I already watched the episode. Woo, it was a doozy. Anyway, let me get out of here. Love, peace, hair products, sneakers, handbags, music, movies, and all that fun stuff. Peace.